So that's something you're going to need to address, okay?
Okay.
All right. So, also in the state of Georgia, when I charge you for the window tint being too dark, it is a fingerprintable offense.
Meaning what?
Meaning I'm placing you under arrest. All right. You're going to go down to booking, get fingerprinted so you can bond out on the charge of window tint.
How's it going, folks, and welcome back to the San Joaquin News Network. Today's your guys' host, Nate Skates 182, once again coming back to you guys with another video of cops flat out violating the rights of the people over the pettiest of pettiest traffic violations while using their training academy tactics like intimidation, retaliation, and deceiving lies to the people, in which you will see the cop in this video use all three on this individual during this traffic stop. This particular video is brought to you folks by the way of this channel here going by the name of Mask Fam. This video here features a few deputies as well as even a detective from the Liberty County Sheriff's Office out of the state of Georgia. And what you guys are about to see is a First, Fourth, and Fifth Amendment violation over something extremely silly in my opinion. I don't want to take up too much of your guys' time, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into this video. I want you all to check this out. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. I'll go ahead and see you guys at the end of the video.
Okay, so what's your position
I'm
and your
a
name?
detective for Liberty County Sheriff's Office.
Detective.
Yes, sir. My name is Detective Cooker. My badge number is 929.
Okay. And your name?
My name's Tint. Burn. Badge number 960. We're going to step right back here, okay?
Sounds good.
Yep. Come over here, sir.
You're gonna search me without?
No. Let's
Okay.
He's going to explain.
So in the state of Georgia, I already explained it to you, legal limits, state of Georgia, 32%.
Okay.
All right, so you both...
Well, you didn't
and
explain
I-
it to me. You're barely telling me.
I just explained it to you, but you and I both agree that that window test is for 5%.
I know what it is. It is 5%.
Uh-huh.
I didn't know it was 32% here in Georgia. Okay.
It is.
That's why I told you I'm fine. Okay. But you didn't tell me that it was.
Yeah.
Okay. I understand now. Okay. Completely.
I did tell you. All right, it is 32% in the state of Georgia. We're at 5%. So that's something you're going to need to address, okay?
Okay.
All right. So, also in the state of Georgia, when I charge you for the window tint being too dark, it is a fingerprintable offense.
Meaning what?
Meaning I'm placing you under arrest. All right, you're going to go down to booking, get fingerprinted so you can bond out on the charge of window tint.
Oh, you're gonna arrest me for my tint?
Yes, sir. So you're under arrest. Go ahead and put your phone down.
Some bullshit excuse about getting sniffed. Yeah.
For the record, folks, this cop just lied right through his teeth and straight to this man's face. Unless there was another issue, window tint alone is never enough to get you arrested. This probably has to be one of the silliest lies I've heard come from a cop's mouth. Usually for a window tint citation, you are issued a warning or a fix-it ticket the very most. I'm not exactly too sure what the problem was this cop had with this individual and why he decided to take him in for a non-violent or criminal offense. To me, it seems like these folks were targeted and retaliated against. This is the very reason why you must stay brushed up and knowledgeable on the rights that you have, especially the Fifth Amendment, which protects your right to remain silent while detained lawfully or unlawfully by the police. You never have to answer any of their unnecessary questions. Let's keep watching.
You didn't start pulling on you that you were.
And the only reason he's arresting you is because you told him your rights. You told him we just moved here from Texas. How are you going to know? Turns out it is a racist state.
You guys call that action. Right? You guys are just like all the time. I can see you have lessons. Wait. Okay, so after this, I'm gonna give you the hardest time when it comes to my rights. Because I know my rights.
your rights, then exercise them right now, okay?
We don't need to vote. You tell me to shut up.
No, that's part of your right.
Okay, so
You have the right to remain silent. I don't have anything to be quiet.
I don't want to be quiet.
I can ask you anything I want. You can ask about it.
Whatever I need, I'm not asking for anything. I said for it. Then don't have to shut up.
I didn't tell you so.
It is just
Do you have a driver's license?
No. Look at this racist cop. What he has in his vehicle. Amazing. Tiene la Santa Muerte en su car. See?
Hey, ma'am.
I'm gonna go record him just so we know that he doesn't have any harmings to his body.
Okay, well, you're
Yeah.
right here, right?
Babe, just so we can see that you don't have any markings on your face. Tiene la Santa Muerte en su dashboard.
Oh, sí?
See?
Oh, okay.
When they walk back over here with the gun. Y'all got her now? She's on shoulder. She's just standing here recording everything. We're gonna head out.
Thank you.
All right, ma'am. Take care.
Thanks.
Won't know.
Are you gonna even sniff the car, or was just that just a tactic to get him out of the car? If you would have told him he was getting arrested, he wouldn't give you a hard time.
No, well, so I was doing the citation, and they asked if I was going to. Normally I do on every vehicle, and
Okay.
I'm still going to before we
Okay.
leave.
Yeah.
But
And why didn't you just give him a citation? If he just
Like
told
I-
you, we
like
literally
I-
just because he mouthed off to you?
no, not at all. So unfortunately, with window tint, you have to get fingerprinted.
Okay.
So that's. I mean, I don't have any control over that. I
That's
wish
fine.
I could just give him a ticket and let him go.
That's
'Cause
fine.
now it puts you in a bind.
Yeah.
But like I said, hopefully he ain't gonna be long up there, and then we're just about a mile or two.
So what do I need to get him out? Just go pay and that's it? Okay.
Yeah, and I don't know how much it's gonna be. So
Where exactly do I need to go? Because I don't know my way around here.
Airport Road.
Uh-huh.
This is Airport Road right here.
Yeah.
Turn right, and you're literally about 2 miles up the road.
So it's literally where he gets his ID? Around there?
Yeah, right behind it.
Okay.
Yeah, right behind DMV.
Okay.
So that's where he's gonna need to go. Anyway, just bear with me one moment, okay? You couldn't stand in front of my truck. Nothing bad. Came back too good. Tried to give you benefit of the doubt. Maybe
I don't have a
somehow
license.
they give you a license.
No, I don't.
Yeah, she told me she did.
Yeah, I don't. I went, but they won't give me one.
Are you guys from Glenville?
From where?
From Glenville?
What is that?
Oh, where are you from?
Texas.
No, where do you guys live at now?
Here in, they say it's Hinesville, but what is it, Gum Branch?
Oh, you live in Gum Branch?
Yeah.
Okay.
We just moved here like a
Alright folks, and that's all she wrote for this one here. Once again, as I said earlier in this video, it's very situations like these that are supposed to encourage you folks out there to know and understand your rights. This is what it looks like when cops enjoy causing trouble out there for the people on the streets. Having dark window tint is considered a traffic violation, but it is also a victimless crime that definitely doesn't require for you to be arrested. You are only fingerprinted through the system once you are already booked and jailed for something else, but this is what happens when cops lie to you straight to your face. This is a tactic that they have been using on the people for years, and I for one believe it's time for that to come to an end. And it all starts with you folks out there to know what your rights mean and the courage to stand up for them, because once again, if you don't know your rights, at the end of the day, you will lose them. The most important one being the First Amendment, which protects your right to freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and the freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. The First Amendment to the United States Constitution were written to protect your natural rights. As always, folks, the original video and channel links will be down below in the description, so I want you all to head over there, give him the credit he deserves. I would like to thank each and every single one of you, ladies and gentlemen, for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Oh, you are not subscribed. Do it now or get off YouTube, bitches.